Hello everyone. The former Tutula movement leader Nhlanhla Lux has been exposed for lying about his family. He said the economic freedom fighters has bombed his house and killed his entire family. He shared the news on his Twitter account and wrote, "My house just got hit with 2 bombs. All my neighbors' windows are shattered. Imagine my house." We beat the EFF at their own game on the streets by defending Soweto brilliantly with all law enforcement on our side. So they bomb and kill my entire family because they lost. Meanwhile, Nhlanhla Lux's house,
the quality of bomb.
People quickly dealt with Nhlanhla on the comment section. One said, "Nhlanhla Lux's love for clout and wide approval is sickening. Why try cause a moral panic by spreading misinformation? His house is still intact. The neighbor's home is still okay. The media team that rushed to the scene only shows a hole that was dark." Another one said, "Being on Twitter and typing paragraphs is the last thing a man who just lost his family would do." Another chip was defending Nhlanhla Lux and said, "He just spoke to Luxy on the phone. It seems like his family is stable, but they were rushed to hospital and they keep them in prayers." Someone dealt with that person and replied to their tweet and said, "This is a very delicate news environment rife with fake news and government propaganda. Do you have footage of house to corroborate the claims that it was burnt down? Have you opened a case against those involved?" This guy who lied about the Free State racist incident says that he spoke to you. No one died. You have access to all media houses. Have you spoken to them to come and document the damage to your house? What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.